Hello, everyone, and congratulations. You have completed the YouTube Intermediate series. You should feel proud. There's a lot of content in this. There's 9.5 hours of videos and some extra questions that could certainly be upwards to 10 hours of work. So hopefully you have found this journey helpful to you. If you made it here to the end, I definitely encourage you to print off one of those certificates. I mentioned at the start as well, I'm not affiliated with any college, university, or things like that. But I do know that the time can be valuable, and in some places, having just any sort of professional development can be used for that. So, nothing else, print that off and have that in your repertoire because you earned it. Now, there's two ways that you can do it. I have a Google form set up there. It does require an email that is valid in order for it to be sent to that. And with privacy these days, I totally understand if you don't want to do that, whether it's a junk email or just any in general. What goes on behind the scenes is it is a Google form. It'll be sent. I have an automated, it's called auto create or autocrat. One of those two, don't get me on pronunciation, but it'll essentially send that PDF to you based off of your responses. It'll put the timestamp and whatever name you put in there. I'll then have a script that will just delete basically everything outside of the timestamp so I can see how many people are actually going through this and downloading it there. Alternatively, you can just get the template and just basically go to the Google Slides. You can fill it out with whatever date and time and your name and save it as a PDF, and there you go. I'll have a video out too on the setup for that form, just in case you're interested or in your instance, you might need that. So anyway, like I said, congratulations. I hope that this has elevated your spreadsheet game, that you are more confident in your workspace, and you've learned a few things and can share with others. So if you have enjoyed these series, please do those YouTube things, like, share, subscribe. I do appreciate it. It does help get this out a little bit more, and it's no cost to you besides the 1 second to click one of those buttons. But in any case, great job yet again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.